Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. Yummy Mommy is back on another exciting episode with this delicious recipe, the most tasty toasted chicken sandwich. This sandwich is so delicious, so tasty, packed with lots and lots of interesting ingredients. Trust me, once you try the sandwich, you can't stop making it. It's so nice, so tasty. Let's jump right into this recipe. So funny enough, this is a recipe I made using some leftover food. Yeah, this just goes to show you that, don't waste food. You can always use your leftovers to make something really nice, really tasty. Always try to incorporate leftovers into your next dish. It is so nice. You don't have to waste food. So I had some leftover grilled chicken breast, so I'm going to be using this to make some delicious toasted chicken sandwich. Okay, yeah, I have some chopped veggies, I have bell peppers, onions, I have a tomato, and I also have some fresh lettuce that was in my fridge, and this just gave me the idea to go in and make some really good chicken sandwich. I had some leftover Gouda cheese as well. I'm going to be adding in some mayonnaise, and of course I have my bread. So this is a loaf of bread I'll be using for this recipe. So guys, let's get started. So first off, I'm going to shred this leftover chicken breast. It was actually grilled. So I'm going to put this straight into my blender, and I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil just to make it moist. So here it is. I shredded this already. You can see my chicken is already shredded. Once that is done, I'm going to oil up my pot, and I'm going to go in, and I just want to saute my fresh veggies here. I don't want to overcook them, so I'm just going to saute them lightly, and I just want to get out that sweetness and that flavors from it so that it tastes amazing and delicious in my chicken sandwich. I'm going to season my fresh veggies with a pinch of salt, a seasoning cube. I'm going to add in as well a teaspoon of soy sauce into this just to moist things up and boost that flavor. I'm going in as well with some garlic, and that's it, guys. I give this a good stir, and it's looking yummy already. It smells really delicious. I'm just going in with some paprika just to add a little bit of sting, and just because I'm a spicy girl, yeah, we love things spicy. You can as well add some cayenne pepper if you really want to take things up, so it's good to go. Once it's seasoned, now is a good time to taste. Make sure everything tastes right. It's time to just go in with our shredded chicken. So I've shredded, or I've blended my leftover grilled chicken, and I'm adding this into my sauteed fresh veggies, and I'm just going to stir everything to combine beautifully. Yeah, so if it's looking a little bit dry, you can go ahead and add in some olive oil or some cooking oil. I'm adding in 1 more seasoning cube just because I want to take it up a notch, and it's good to go. You don't have to overcook this. Once you've sauteed your veggies and you've added in your shredded chicken, tastes good, looks good, that's it. Turn off the stove. So that's my chicken filling. It's ready. Once my chicken filling is ready and cooling down, I'm just going to start slicing up my bread and buttering that up. After buttering the outside of my bread, I'm going to start packing in my sandwich filling. So I start by laying a coat of mayonnaise Once my mayonnaise is laid down, I'm going to go ahead with my chicken filling. I'm just going to spread this nicely in my bread. Once I'm done laying that in, I go in with my cheese and I'm going to finish up with my lettuce, and that's good to go. So I'm just going to repeat this one more time so you can see it again. So butter the outside of your bread. Then you're going to add in a layer of mayonnaise inside. Next, you go in with your chicken filling. Next, some cheese, and you finish it off with your lettuce. So that's it. Once that is done, it's time to get some toasted sandwich in here. So yes, my toaster is on and ready. I'm just going to lay my sandwich nicely in my toaster, and I close this up and let my toaster just do the magic. So yes, this is ready. It smells delicious. Who doesn't love the smell of freshly toasted bread? It's so yummy, so delicious. So I take out the first batch and I'm going right in with my second batch while I'm setting this aside. This smell is so delicious. I so love the smell in the mornings, especially, you know, it just makes my day. So it's well toasted. I cannot wait to bite into this. It's so nice, so crunchy. Oh, look at all that yumminess. Guys, this recipe is so easy, straightforward. So I'm done toasting my chicken sandwich. It smells so delicious. I'm going to enjoy this with a glass of juice. Time to bite in. Look at all that deliciousness. Look at all that crunchiness. Oh my god, guys, this recipe is so easy, so yummy, so tasty. The sandwich is so crunchy, well toasted. My toaster is so amazing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Pretty simple recipe you can try. My prep time was 5 minutes. So easy to make. So I'm just going to enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share, and if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do so. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned guys. Bye.